Have you ever wondered how life began? How did our planet covered in water and rock become teeming with plants, animals, and even us? It's one of the most fundamental and fascinating questions humans have ever asked. Like detectives searching for clues, scientists have been piecing together the story of life's origins for centuries. The journey takes us billions of years back in time to a very different Earth. It's a journey filled with incredible discoveries, from ancient fossils to the intricate workings of our own cells. And while we don't have all the answers yet, the search itself is an amazing adventure. Imagine a time when Earth was very young, a time when our planet was just beginning to take shape. It was a hot and volatile place with volcanoes erupting and lightning storms raging across the sky, creating a dramatic and tumultuous environment. But hidden within this chaotic environment were the ingredients for something truly extraordinary: life. The very chaos that seemed destructive was actually a crucible for creation. Scientists believe that early Earth had the right mix of elements and conditions to make the building blocks of life. They study ancient samples and recreate conditions in laboratories to understand this process. It all started with simple molecules like water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen. These basic compounds were abundant in the early Earth's environment. These molecules, energized by the sun's radiation and volcanic heat, began to interact. The energy from these sources acted as a catalyst, sparking chemical reactions. Over millions of years, these simple molecules joined together, forming more complex structures. This gradual process was a slow but steady march towards complexity. This process, driven by the laws of chemistry and physics, eventually led to the creation of the first organic molecules, the precursors to life as we know it. These organic molecules were the essential components of all living things. They formed the foundation upon which the diversity of life on Earth would be built, setting the stage for the incredible journey of evolution. Picture a warm, shallow pool of water on early Earth. Scientists call this the primordial soup. In this soup, those newly formed organic molecules were constantly bumping into each other. Most of these encounters amounted to nothing special, but every once in a while something incredible happened. Certain molecules, arranged in just the right way, would link together. These larger, more complex molecules were able to replicate themselves, making copies that spread throughout the primordial soup. This ability to replicate is what sets life apart from non-living matter. It's the spark that ignited the flame of life on our planet, leading to the incredible diversity we see today. Imagine a set of instructions that tell a cell how to grow, function, and even reproduce. These instructions are like a detailed manual, guiding every process within the cell, ensuring it performs its duties correctly and efficiently. These instructions are stored inside every living thing on Earth, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales. No matter the size or complexity of the organism, these instructions are crucial for survival and reproduction. We call these instructions DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the fundamental building block of life, containing the genetic code that defines each organism's unique characteristics. DNA is a very long molecule that carries genetic information. It is composed of two strands that coil around each other to form a double helix, a structure that is both elegant and incredibly efficient at storing vast amounts of information. It's like a blueprint for life, passed down from one generation to the next. This blueprint ensures that offspring inherit traits from their parents, allowing for the continuity of life and the diversity of species. Closely related to DNA is RNA, or ribonucleic acid, which plays a vital role in building proteins, the workhorses of our cells. Proteins are essential for virtually every function within a cell, from structural support to catalyzing biochemical reactions. Scientists believe that RNA, with its simpler structure, might have predated DNA in the early stages of life. This hypothesis suggests that RNA could have been the original molecule of life, capable of storing genetic information and catalyzing chemical reactions. It's possible that RNA molecules were the first self-replicating molecules, paving the way for the evolution of DNA and the complex life forms we know today. This self-replication ability would have been a crucial step in the development of life, allowing for the gradual increase in complexity and diversity that we observe in the biological world. Section 5. Life from another world. What if life didn't begin on Earth but instead hitchhiked a ride from somewhere else? Imagine the vastness of space with countless celestial bodies moving through the cosmos. Among these, some might carry the essential ingredients for life. This intriguing idea is called panspermia. The term itself comes from Greek, meaning seeds everywhere. It proposes that life exists throughout the universe, distributed by meteoroids, asteroids, comets, and planetoids. It suggests that tiny life forms, like microbes, could have traveled through space on asteroids or comets. These hardy microorganisms might survive the harsh conditions of space, protected within rocks or ice. These celestial travelers carrying the seeds of life might have landed on early Earth, bringing with them the building blocks for life to take hold. Imagine an asteroid crashing into the primordial Earth, releasing its precious cargo into the environment. While it's a fascinating concept, panspermia doesn't answer the fundamental question of how life originated in the first place. It merely shifts the location of life's beginnings to another part of the cosmos. It simply pushes the starting point to another planet or even another star system. This raises further questions about the conditions necessary for life to form, and whether those conditions are unique to Earth or common throughout the universe. But even if life did begin elsewhere, understanding how it took hold and flourished on Earth is still a crucial part of unraveling the mysteries of our existence. The study of life's origins, whether terrestrial or extraterrestrial, helps us comprehend our place in the universe and the potential for life beyond our planet. Section 6. The search for answers. Today, scientists around the world are working to solve the puzzle of life's origins. They study ancient rocks, analyze meteorites, and conduct experiments in laboratories to recreate the conditions of early Earth. They are driven by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to understand our place in the universe. Every new discovery brings us closer to understanding the intricate processes that led to the emergence of life. But this journey of discovery is not just about the past. By understanding how life began on Earth, we may also gain insights into the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the vast universe. Section 7. Tiny clues, big discoveries. One of the most exciting ways scientists learn about the past is by studying fossils. Fossils are the preserved remains of ancient organisms, often found embedded in rock layers. They provide a glimpse into what life was like millions or even billions of years ago. By carefully examining fossils, scientists can trace the evolution of life on Earth, from single-celled organisms to complex plants and animals. Each new fossil discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of life's history. These discoveries help us understand how life has changed and adapted over time, leading to the incredible biodiversity we see today. Section 8. Looking back in time. Imagine a time machine that could take us back to the very beginning of life on Earth. While we don't have such a machine, scientists have found clever ways to peer into the past. By studying the chemical composition of ancient rocks and minerals, they can learn about the conditions on early Earth. They can even analyze the composition of meteorites, which are like time capsules from the early solar system. These techniques allow us to piece together the history of our planet and the events that led to the emergence of life. It's like reading a detective novel, where each clue brings us closer to solving the mystery. Section 9. The universe, a living place. The search for life's origins extends beyond our own planet. As we explore our solar system and discover planets orbiting other stars, the question arises, are we alone in the universe? While we haven't found definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life yet, the vastness of the universe makes it statistically improbable that we are the only ones. Many scientists believe that life, in some form, could exist on other planets with conditions suitable for life as we know it. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound quests in science, with the potential to change our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Section 10. Our place among the stars. The story of life's origins is ultimately a story about us. It's a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, connected to every living thing on this planet, and perhaps even beyond. By understanding our origins, we gain a deeper appreciation for the preciousness of life and the importance of protecting our planet for future generations. It's a story that inspires awe, wonder, and a sense of responsibility. As we continue to explore the universe and unlock its secrets, the story of life's origins will continue to shape our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Section 11. The journey continues. The quest to understand how life began is an ongoing journey. While we've made incredible strides in unraveling the mysteries of our origins, many questions remain unanswered. But that's what makes science so exciting. It's a process of continuous discovery, driven by curiosity and a desire to comprehend the universe and our place within it. The journey to understand life's beginnings is far from over. It's a journey that will continue to inspire future generations of scientists, explorers, and dreamers, pushing the boundaries of knowledge and expanding our understanding of the cosmos and the awe-inspiring phenomenon we call life.